Good day, I am Alonica Meiji Garo from Group 3. The topic that assigned to me is about creating a brochure that reflects social studies, issues, and concepts. So, for us to be able to have a better understanding about creating a brochure, so I will firstly discuss about brochure. So, it refers as an informative paper which promotes and introduces a company, organization, product, or services. It informs and attracts about the benefits of the customer. Usually distributed inside newspaper, brochure racks in a public place, or handed out personally. It says that brochure is an informative piece of paper that promotes product and services. We usually see brochure in streets, in schools, in a company, in a market, or even in a trade show. So, for example of promoting a brochure is in our school. So there are other schools that promotes or marketing their school in our school. In high school, for example, the Wesleyan or Aurelio University. So they will going to visit in our schools to promote their own school. So it is about marketing. They give us a one piece of paper and it is called brochure. So there are things to do before making a brochure. Number one is gather ideas and examples. So we do have to gather ideas and examples. It is to create a productive and effective meaningful or the meaningful information rather about our services or the company product. So number two is brainstorm for your project. Brainstorming is about how we are going to give a important or the best content of our services. Number three is about write an outline. So write an outline, for example, is about the information of our company, the best pages of our company. So there are steps in making brochure. Number one is start with a template. It is a pre-made design to create a beautiful or colorful brochure. Number two is decide on perfect page size. So it is based on the template that we are going to use. Number three is adjust margins, create space for text, and image insertion by creating a layout grid. So it is important for us to lay out our image or text so that the information are in a follow or the steps of information. Number four is insert text and images. It is like in the number three step. Number five, export, print, or share. It is about marketing our services or organization. So there are for us to be able to create a productive brochure, we have to pick our format. So there are different formats that we can use. Number one is gatefold brochure. It is an inward folding design. As we can see, it is like a gate that we have to that when we open this gate, there are broad pages that we can see. It is usually be used on the when we are having to pinpoint or emphasize an image of our company. So number two, half-folded brochure. It refers on most popular and widely used. Number three is three-fold brochure. It has an enough space to present information. Number four, accordion fold brochure. It is divide the brochure into 4 or 5 panels that are folded on top of each other in a zigzag formation. It is like a Z formation. It helps our reader to it helps our reader to read the information in an order form. Quarter fold. It is folded in a half twice, one vertically, then again horizontally to create 4 panels. We usually see this kind of brochure in menu in a restaurant or even in an invitation. Number 6 is double parallel fold. It refers on a brochure with two parallel folds that are aligned in the same direction. Roll fold. Half fold tucked into another half fold that folds inward. It also helps our reader to have an information that has an order form. So now we're going to select a design template rather. It refers a pre-made design and documents that can be customized. It is often designed to meet specific standards so are consistent between users and mediums. Number 3, lay out your content. So our brochure contains all the formation or the information that we can use to attract our customer. So the three best software tools for designing brochures. There are many software tools that we can be used, but I'll just pick the three most tools that we usually use. Number 1 is Canva. It is an online design and publishing tool that also offers template for creating presentation, brochure, poster, and other visual content. Canva is not it is a common app for us to be used because it is not just features the presentation, the brochure or poster. There also have a image, content, text, and other designs that we can be able to use to create a colorful and effective presentation. Number 2, Microsoft Publisher. A desktop publishing program and is a handy tool to use for simple page layout and design. It is best for brochure, newsletter, and other print media. Microsoft Publisher also is very common for especially on term of teaching and learning processes. There also have many templates that we can use on Microsoft Publisher. Number 3, Adobe InDesign CC. It offers a wide variety of impressive features and design capabilities. Its main feature consists of layout adjustment, advanced font, and color management. So, it will help us to create our brochure a colorful and has many designs. So now, this is my so now I create my own brochure that reflects social studies issues and concepts, I emphasize our I emphasize our schools and UST schools for agricultural course. So that's all. Thank you.